Survive Outdoors Longer allows you to explore with the security of knowing you have the best survival tools, kits, and shelters to keep you alive and help you be found. The Survive Outdoors Longer Traverse Kit is an old-school survival kit with the quality and features of a modern survival kit. This rugged survival kit is a necessity for your next adventure or the perfect gift for your adventurous friend. The Traverse Survival Kit has you covered in 4 main areas of survival. You can live weeks without food, but only 3 days without water. Disinfect backcountry water with 2 water purification tablets that will treat 1 liter of water each. Carry your disinfected water in the ultra-compact and foldable 1-liter bag. In the cold, wet conditions of most survival situations, fire is your best friend. Easily start a fire with the Firelight Striker, tested for up to 5,000 strikes, and our waterproof tinder, which can burn up to 2 minutes, even when wet. Wrap yourself in our 90% heat-reflective emergency blanket to keep you warm and dry, and protected from hypothermia-inducing winds, rain, and snow. Signal for help. Broadcast your location to rescuers with the 100 decibel Mini Slim Rescue Howler whistle. The kit includes duct tape and a safety pin for gear repair on the go, as well as a survival booklet with tips and techniques that will help you make use of all the unique tools inside the Traverse tin. When the unexpected happens, having key survival tools and gear repair supplies close at hand is essential. The Traverse's compact size and weight make it ideal for keeping in your hiking, kayaking.
This is the Bear Grylls Ultimate Pro Fix Blade. It comes with an integrated pull-through carbide sharpener, a belt loop for carry, and a slim pocket to keep the priorities of survival close at all times. It also features a fire steel for use with the top of the blade to create sparks. It fits securely, vertically, back in the sheath. It has a full fine-edge blade made of 9 CR19 MOV steel and full tank construction for extra durability. It includes a built-in pommel for hammering and pounding, a whistle in case you need to signal for help, and 2 holes to lash it to a stick to create a spear. We took the best-selling survival knife in the world and made it better. This is the Bear Grylls Ultimate Pro Fix Blade from Gerber.
This is the Blitzwolf LT5 Powerbank and Waterproof Lamp. It's tough, totally waterproof, and we designed it to be the ultimate outdoor lamp. In an emergency, the Powerbank can be activated and can charge your phone. The lanyard hoop makes mounting easy, and the power button even glows in the dark. It's 5 lighting modes, a 2600 milliamp power bank. It's IP65 tested, shockproof, and in low light it can last up to 60 hours. It's the ideal partner for camping, in an emergency, tramping, and anywhere you need reliable lighting.
The Sawyer Mini is the most versatile personal filtration system available. It's a perfect solution for backpacking, hiking, hunting, fishing, scouting, international travel, and emergency preparedness. At a mere 2 ounces, the Mini fits in the palm of your hand and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water from any freshwater lake, river, or stream. The Sawyer Mini has a 0.1 micron absolute pore size. It was tested to 10 million parts of bacteria and 1 million parts of protozoa without a single breakthrough. This is the highest level filters can be tested to, so we're confident these are the highest rates of filtration available. The Sawyer Mini will remove harmful bacteria and protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, but it won't remove chemicals or viruses. However, viruses are rarely found in the water in North America and in foreign cities. The Mini can be used the following ways. Attach it to a Sawyer squeeze pouch and drink directly from the filter or dispense into a water bottle. Use it as a personal drinking straw to drink directly from the source, or scoop up a bottle of water and drink instantly. The Mini screws directly onto most standard water bottles, which is great for suspect water overseas. Use it inline on a hydration pack. This allows you to fill your hydration pack directly from the source and filter water as you're drinking through the bite valve. Sawyer filters are so robust, they can be backwashed with high pressures and reused over and over again. Cleaning the Sawyer Mini is really simple. You just take the included cleaning plunger and fill it up with some filtered water. Then take the Mini and insert the tip of the plunger into the end of the filter opposite of the flow arrow. Then forcefully push the water back through the Mini. You repeat this process a couple times until the water comes through clear and easy and you have a clean filter.
The best survival kit is the one you wouldn't think of entering the untamed world without. It's small, compact, easy to use, and multifunctional. It can be taken anywhere. Knowing what this ultra-portable toolkit provides creates peace of mind. Remember, the MS5 is the easiest survival toolkit to carry, and one you'll never want to leave behind. The motion grade MS5 lets you blend in with nature and take advantage of all its beauty. It comes with a world-class water purifier. Explore the entire jungle without losing your sense of direction with the rugged military-style compass that efficiently puts you right on track. Survival requires the right set of tools and skills. With its easy-fit blades, magnesium fire starter, folding grill, and flashlight, the MS5 has you covered. We go above and beyond the contemporary to integrate more usefulness in every product. The MS5 has what you need to survive: a USB charger, SOS GPS tracker, a micro burner, fishing tackle, plus many more essentials.